Rich. In Manchester United. The reason why Manchester Epesomoma, Rashford, Sancho, any other players Garnacho, Mo Echo, and say they want to free up a certain space on their wage bill. Because she cannot move for some rent here. Anybody over there, Mama, you our form, that is the truth. Rich, Mijiri says a Manchester met me out of Victor Osimhen. It will not really be about the package, you know, but if they are able to get teams to come in for Sancho and Rashford, now omunya space wage bill as well. Because Rich, Uchu Victor Osimhen Gyokeres. Victor Osimhen enjoy less than £200,000 a week. Yeah. What you say? There is no way Victor Osimhen enjoy less than £200,000 a week. And you don't have Champions League football to entice him. So say the Mokasa mo de kwa you need Champions League, but yeah Manchester big club yes I don't ska and na ebebo efa mi. So that is the situation with Obi. No 30 seconds. Look, men susu da say we will have this problem. You see, me a Barcelona ni Rich. Yes season. Department and I mean Jim say a problem or a goalkeeping department. Who number one in Testegen and will pry. And I'll confer Abrantie by Chesney and obey yard. And see and Bassa there and Testegen and buy. Then we finish the season very, very well. And you can goalkeeping here. Minimum all of a sudden they could create a goalkeeping situation problem El Barcelona. Now in here say 25 million you could yama Espanyol and then you are rented by the medicals. Say who did the Spanish in the Domatron, you know, Domas on which say Bassa Air sign one Garcia and they could schedule a meeting with Testegen to sort out in the future. Why do we create this problem for ourselves? Now, Rich, Luis Diaz the Epeno.
Liverpool for sale Muslim.
You see,
it's not for sale.
You see,
you
see what Liverpool are doing. We understand it.
Okay.
Now say Rich, they will not sell Luis Diaz cheap to us. Liverpool is one of the most professionally run clubs in Europe. Me and they are Semi-Womeba. That's also all per club are supporting England. Today, based on the way I run a club, I can't support Liverpool. Rich, Makacho, Abraham is one of the least paid players ever Liverpool. Or yeah, South America for Omu football abochire. Barcelona, Real Madrid. So we come those two clubs now. Then you are playing for a top club. Barcelona penal. Omu will sell Liverpool for them cheap. But they know Abraham is super so about Barcelona. And see, you better tell Liverpool for Abraham so all renew the contract. Liverpool at a stage. The master I hope for say they will get the feeling say I said Luis Diaz no nakuma ensure near her. So nakuma near her there. Then let's cash out. Na yentimi a movie on into which you need to tell. That is the reason why every day Biano, especially Mundo, keep on repeating the Luis Diaz story because Barca are relentless. Omubetimi enya Abranteno Amanaba Bisi Akai Eddie Rich, these are some of the transfer stories, and the situations around those clubs. Now, I mean, it's a 1 year first, now also a problem. Say on to Manchester in the transfer window.
Are you now? Is it in Kakaka? Try best.
Okay,
at least
I think say Facebook now to so there's no point in even giving the code.
Emfa fisem no emfa ento aso ayasemu internet Debbie mo fancha enye enia ai emza fe ni asaba yaba yaba nti
omo my faithful no must stay
on omo fancha mami fa code ni mo na aliso
mo fancha enye nia ai mo fancha enye nia. I was a complaint in a bus about solve it. Maybe I know so a war is in the pipeline.
I don't see a pipeline.
It's in the pipeline.
Oh, your problem.
Pipe and empire.
First one no 1F 86 8331. And the second one no ɛso yɛ 1F 86 9311. Then the last one no 1F 87 196A. Into 3 course, Michelle. Obetimi afa na ese. And now be say o ko betway e ku twa bet na wotimi e de e twa bet e o rich.
E de afisam no e to am so na Ghana Premier League na no kwasiada na ewie 2024